Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Hope you are doing fantastic. So today I'm just going to show you how I do my quick American tacos burrito. Something I like to do to just kind of spice it up so it's not so boring when it's, the easy American taco night. I make a nice little spicy sauce to go in it. So let's just get started. Let's go. Okay, so I'm basically just doing this video. I'm just going to put about tablespoon of oil in there to show you guys how I make my just super easy, simple American tacos that everybody does, right? Just like the hamburger and the taco flavoring. It's our favorite, hot. But I'm just doing this video to show you guys how I make it into a burrito and my super delicious hot sauce condiment that I put on it. Words are good. Let me see if I can use them. So anyway, I might as well just show you how I do my hamburger too. So I'm just going to saute up some onions and garlic, and we'll throw on the beef and then the seasonings. All right, you guys, don't you just love the smell of onions and garlic in the saucepan? Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm going to put in a little over a pound of ground beef. And let me hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so along with the taco seasoning, which I'll put in here in a minute, I add in a little bit of other spices. So I'm just putting in a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. And then just depending, like the taco seasoning's hot already, I'm going to also add in another teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes. And about a teaspoon and a half of cumin. Alright, so now let's put in our taco seasoning. So what I do is 1.5 packages for 1 pound of beef. And I have a little more of a pound of beef, but let's just add like a half. Half of this is good, yeah. Alright. So now I just take a couple, maybe a tablespoon of beef stock. And we're going to mix that all together and cook it up. Alright, so you want to make sure you have all your ingredients you like to put into your, there's the sauce, your taco, aka burrito. So it's pretty simple. I know, olives, right? Who here has olives with their tacos? I grew up in it, grew up with it. My mom would actually make the taco meat with, I think, mushrooms too. So I don't know, I grew up with it. I don't do mushrooms in my taco meat, but I do love the olives in there. So anyway, that's the only kind of off maybe thing that I put in there. Tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, and the sauce. So let's put it together. Alright, first we're going to put down some sauce right in the middle. This stuff is so good, you guys. It literally just elevates the plain old American taco into burrito next level. Alright, now put some taco meat. Smells so good inside here. Sauce. We're going to top it with some cheese. Look at that good stuff. Top it with some tomatoes, some olives, some lettuce, and just dollops of this spicy hot sauce. It's so good. You guys gotta try it. So now we're just gonna fold it, hopefully. It's already cracking right there. That's okay. And then we're just gonna fry it up, get a little crispy on the outsides. Okay, I'm just gonna brown it on all sides and we'll cut it up. All right, you guys, this is what I do to elevate my American taco night so I can make it more interesting and delicious. So let's just cut it in half. Oh, it's so good. It's the sauce, I'm telling you. It's so good, you guys. And of course, you know, whatever ingredients you guys put into your tacos, just do it. Just add the sauce. That's what makes it really. And putting it in a burrito form just kind of, you know, makes it different. So that's it, you guys. Let me know if you try it. I gotta dig into this sauce. So good. See you next time. Bye.